This is Honda Fit, basically imported model. UK it's called Honda Jazz. Engine management light on, still in Japanese letters. But however, when I took the faulty code, it say P1286 engine oil pressure, EOP sensor circuit low voltage, engine oil pressure EOP sensor circuit high voltage, and P128A oil pressure EPO sensor circuit high voltage. Okay, let's go to the engine bay and we'll see what's going on in engine bay. Right, we'll see what happened to the oil. You can see no oil at all, tiny bits in the edge. Yeah, that's a problem, because if it oil not there, definitely oil warning light need to trigger up. However, this car, I feeling it's integrate to the engine management system, that's why engine management light on. Start the car. Still engine light on. I didn't reset from the computer. Switch off. Start. Switch off. Go to the engine section, take a faulty codes, permanent, yeah, temporary, yeah, clear, yes, yeah, okay. Go back to the code menu. Yeah, nothing there. Now switch off the ignition and start the car. Yeah, all light disappears. Thank you.